Hey guys, what is going on? So this is just a quick update on what's been happening with my portfolio. It's been a good while since I've uploaded a video, so I thought a little update would do no harm. So first things first, we can see the dollar is a little bit down today, which would be a good thing for me if I wanted to sell all my shares and cash out, but that won't be happening for a long time. So I usually don't pay much attention to currency fluctuations in trading penny stocks. Might actually make a separate video on that and what the story behind Driving Wave Inc. was one day, but we'll leave that for another time. So I currently have investments in 3 different companies in 3 different industries. Roughly speaking, you could say that Boeing and Ryanair are the same industry, but they're not because Boeing manufacture aircraft, whereas Ryanair is just an airliner. And I have more money going into the account soon, but I haven't decided where I'd like to put it just yet. Probably won't be any of these companies because I want to diversify the portfolio a bit more. As you can see, Boeing have been very nice to me lately, giving me returns of about €120 over the past few weeks. With the 3 shares I have in them, of course, they're performing even better actually until yesterday. But some airliner in the Middle East announced a deal with Airbus, and the stock lost about €10 per share. But it will recover very quickly if recent performance is anything to go by, in my opinion. Next, we have the aforementioned Ryanair, which I actually bought shares in on the Irish Stock Exchange to change things up a little because I usually only ever trade on the New York Stock Exchange, and currency fluctuation is just a bit annoying as well at times, even though I did say I ignore it. I only bought these shares last week, but it has been performing pretty well, as you can see. One thing that's good to remember when trading on Degiro is that the trade fee is incorporated into the actual share net result. So say if you buy 3 shares, the total fee for buying those shares is $2.50. It'll instantly look as if the shares lost over its lifetime $2.50 in value when you buy it straight away, but that will go away in time if the share performs well. Anyway, the reason I decided to invest in Ryanair was because it's an undeniably strong company, no matter what people like to say about it, and despite recent controversy with pilots, which made the stock plummet a little, which is actually why I decided it was a good time to invest, because the stock is cheaper. I really believe that as Europe's largest airline, it'll only continue to grow and grow because at the end of the day, consumers want the cheapest price when it comes to travel, and their profits only prove that. I'm not going to capture any dividends on this one, as Ryanair are notorious for a poor dividend history, but I'm looking into investing in some high dividend yielding stocks soon, which are 4 exceptionally performing tech stocks that people have just dubbed FANG for some reason. I decided to invest because as a subscription service, and most importantly as a growing subscription service, they really do boast the advantage of producing their own TV shows. Because if you think of it, if things slow up, they can literally influence the rate at which shows are produced and released, and invest more into new shows as they wish and as they please. Because people actually are really into the Netflix produced TV shows. Although I do believe that the growth will slow down this year, I still forecast a solid 30 to 40% growth in the stock over the next year, so I'm very happy with that stock. Anyways, as I said, this is just a quick update on the portfolio. I'm going to start uploading more frequent content, and we'll be investing more into the portfolio very soon. So yeah, thanks for watching.